We often hear the roar of a jet engine as a symbol of connection, travel, and commerce. But that sound also carries an environmental cost. Aviation contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, particularly carbon dioxide. So how do we balance our need to fly with the urgent need to protect our climate? A key part of the answer lies in Sustainable Aviation Fuels, or SAFs. What exactly are SAFs? Think of them as alternatives to traditional jet fuel, made from more sustainable sources instead of fossil petroleum. Chemically, they're very similar to the Jet A fuel used today. Crucially, they are designed as drop-in fuels. This means they can be blended with conventional fuel and used in existing aircraft and airport infrastructure without major changes. This compatibility is vital for getting them into widespread use quickly. The real magic of SAFs is in their life cycle emissions. While burning SAF still releases CO2, the materials used to make them often absorbed CO2 from the atmosphere as they grew, or the production process uses captured carbon. This dramatically reduces the net CO2 emissions over the fuel's entire life compared to fossil jet fuel, sometimes by 80% or even more. Where do these fuels come from? The sources, called feedstocks, are diverse. We're talking used cooking oil, animal fats, leftover materials from farming and forestry, non-recyclable household waste, algae, and even advanced methods using renewable electricity, water, and captured carbon dioxide to create synthetic fuels, sometimes called e-fuels, or power to liquids. Turning these varied materials into high-quality jet fuel isn't simple. It involves advanced chemical engineering. Several processes are already certified and used. One common method uses oils and fats, treating them with hydrogen to get the right properties. Another approach, called Fischer-Tropsch synthesis, converts gases derived from biomass or waste into liquid fuel. Others involve converting alcohols or combining green hydrogen with captured CO2. Despite this progress, there are challenges. We need to ensure feedstocks are truly sustainable and available in large quantities without impacting food supplies or land use. Making SAF is currently much more expensive than producing traditional jet fuel. Scaling up production to meet the global demand for air travel requires enormous investment and developing the necessary supply chains and infrastructure. But the benefits make tackling these challenges worthwhile. Beyond cutting carbon emissions, some SAFs can improve air quality by reducing soot and sulfur emissions. Using diverse, often local feedstocks can also enhance energy security and create economic opportunities, especially in rural areas. The journey towards cleaner skies is underway. The aviation industry, governments, and fuel producers are working together. We're seeing policy incentives like tax credits and blending mandates, airlines setting ambitious targets for SAF use, ongoing research to improve efficiency and find new pathways, and significant investment flowing into new production facilities. Sustainable aviation fuels are not a silver bullet, but they represent a vital tool in making aviation compatible with our climate goals. Through continued innovation, policy support, and investment, we can make cleaner flight a reality.